Have you ever walked into a room and completely forgotten why you went there in the first place? Or maybe you've blanked on someone's name right after they told you? We all have those moments, and it can be frustrating, even a little scary. We often think of our memory as a hard drive, but what if I told you forgetting isn't a bug, but a feature? Today, we're going to dive deep into the fascinating science of why we forget, and more importantly, how you can train your brain to have a near superhuman memory. So why does our brain let memories slip away? It's not because it's failing, it's actually cleaning house. Our brains are like a bustling city, constantly building and rebuilding pathways between brain cells called neurons. When you learn something new, a path is created, but if you don't use that path, it fades away, a process called synaptic pruning. Think about it. If you remembered every single detail of every single day, your brain would be completely overwhelmed. Forgetting helps us filter out the noise and focus on what truly matters. Another reason we forget is something called interference theory. Imagine you're at a loud party trying to listen to a friend. All the other conversations make it hard to hear, right? It's the same with your memory. New information can interfere with old memories, making them harder to find. It's not that the memory is gone forever. Sometimes the path to it is just temporarily blocked. That is the case why a name you couldn't remember for hours might suddenly pop into your head while you're brushing your teeth. The right cue just finally appeared. Stress also plays a huge role. The stress hormone cortisol can interfere with your brain's memory center, the hippocampus. That's why you might go blank during a big exam or an important presentation, even when you know the material inside and out. Your anxiety is literally blocking your ability to recall information. So, how can we fight back against forgetting and sharpen our recall? The first and maybe most powerful tool is sleep. While you're sleeping, your brain is busy working. It replays the day's events and strengthens the important neural connections, basically hitting the save button on your memories. Without enough quality sleep, those memories can stay fragile and easily lost. Next up is repetition, but not just any repetition. Spaced repetition is the key. This is a technique where you review information at increasing intervals over time. It was like walking the same trail in a forest again and again until it becomes a clear, permanent path. This method is incredibly effective and is used by memory champions and language learning apps to retain massive amounts of information. And don't forget to move your body. Exercise isn't just good for your muscles, it's amazing for your brain. Physical activity boosts blood flow to the brain and even helps grow new neurons. A simple brisk walk can significantly improve your memory performance. And what you eat matters too. Foods rich in omega-3s, like salmon, and antioxidants, like blueberries, are like superfoods for your brain. Beyond the physical, your mindset is a game changer. If you believe you can improve your memory, you're already halfway there. Attention is the gatekeeper to memory. You can't remember something you never really paid attention to. So, be deliberate. When you want to remember something, focus on it. Say it out loud. Create a vivid, even silly, mental image. If you meet someone named Rose, picture her holding a giant bouquet of roses. The more emotional and unique the image, the more it will stick. In the end, don't be too hard on yourself the next time you forget where you put your keys. Your brain is just doing its job, tidying up to make room for what's important. The goal isn't to remember everything, but to remember what matters. By sleeping well, moving your body, eating smart, and paying attention, you can take control of your memory and hold on to the experiences that truly shape who you are. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to unlock your brain's full potential. See you in the next one.